Fadama man a born and grow, can we born all our fake friends in a ghetto. Man a rule them all know. Upness family, we not joke. We mean life, so we might fat them down. Upness. I go by the name Fadama Selorm. I do Afro dancehall. I rap Fadama for life. Ghanaian musician, bred in one. I would say 4 years professionally. Life inspired me. Whatever goes around me is the reason why I do music. So like I write what goes around. The bad thing is financing your work, like how to get your work out there, how to even get your work, like recording and then shooting videos. Like financing it is the main problem. And the good things are the support I'm getting from the industry people. Like they are really showing love. Some of them I go there without paying a dime, like coming here MX24 without paying a CD, but you people are helping me. So God bless you people for holding me down. 5 years from now, I see Fadama Selorm as the biggest brand in Africa, taking African music to the world. Walk like a champion, win like a conqueror. I'm working on so many things. The Selorm EP will be dropping soon this year, but date is not out yet, so we're still working on it. Upness family, Kwame on the beach, yeah. Upness God again, elevation time. Man, I stuck on the street looking for bread and shelter, hustling every day, struggling every night. See me now know the face, so me never go try to surrender. Hustling every day, struggling every night. Oh yeah, Oluwa, I don't tire, eh. I don't suffer, eh. No, they see nobody from my side. When I dey so carry, I dey suffer every day, every night. Working for the money so man can survive. Me pray for the rain along with the sunshine. Jah bless me, Jah give me long life. If I fall like a rise, like a winner, win like a champion, win like a conqueror. Me I go rise like a winner, walk like a champion, win like a conqueror. Oh no, if you know, see man, I stuck on the street looking for bread and shelter, hustling every day, struggling every night. See me now know the face, so me never go try to surrender. Hustling every day, struggling every night. Me I no get family, kakama huli mabayata maduji. Oh yeah. See, I no get family, kakama huli, yata maduji. If I fall, I go rise like a winner, walk like a champion, move like a conqueror. Me I go rise like a winner, walk like a champion, win like a conqueror. Oh no, if you know, say man, I stuck on the street looking for bread and shelter, hustling every day, struggling every night. See me now know defeat, so me never go try to surrender. Hustling every day, struggling every night. Looking for bread and shelter, hustling every day, struggling every night. So me never go try to surrender. Hustling every day, struggling every night. Struggle I'm in today is building me for tomorrow. Fadama Selorm, big up every hustler up on the street. Upness family.